Alright, in this module we'll tackle the chore of cut, copying, and moving, or in other words, pasting text. And this is, again, nothing that should be terribly new, but in Word 2007 there are a few wrinkles that you may not be familiar with that would make your time at the computer go a lot easier. So this operation, these three operations, start with the selection of text, and then you can go to the Home tab in your ribbon and choose from your clipboard options here and cut, copy, and then you'll have the option to paste, and then this is your format painter that's also in your clipboard section. So I'll go ahead and click on copy. Notice you could do Control-C. All those keyboard shortcuts are there as well. The next step as I move my text around then is to set my insertion point and then do a Control-V, or I could have also right-clicked and chosen paste from the context menu here. So again, it really doesn't matter. What I want to point out here is that your text, the formatting, is going to be brought down with it. So by default, you're pasting not only the text, but all of the formatting that goes along with that text. And that includes even if it was center justified or right justified, or in this case, it's left justified. So what if you want to change that? What if you start a new paragraph here and you set your style to normal here? If I start typing, notice what the text is going to look like. Well, what if I wanted that pasted text to look exactly the same? I would use my paste options here under the clipboard options or the clipboard grouping under the paste. If I clicked on the paste button, it would just paste and do the default paste, which you've just seen. If I go down to the word paste in this little arrow, it'll give me some extra options here. So I can paste or paste special. So now if I click on Paste Special, I get this Paste Special dialog box here. And if I wanted to match exactly the destination formatting, so for example, in that insertion point, the formatting is normal. If I click on Unformatted Text, it just brings down the text itself, and it will adapt itself to whatever formatting is already there in that insertion point. So let me do that. Click on Unformatted Text and click on OK, and then you get text that looks like this. Now, the other thing that's worth mentioning as I cut and copy and move text around my document is that you can hold multiple things on the clipboard at the same time. So if I select this text here, and this time I'll right click it and click on cut, I'll select this text up here, and this time I'll do a Control-C to copy what's already there. So if I want to use that text, all of that now is on the clipboard. So I want to show you this in the Home tab in this clipboard section. I have this little tiny button right next to the thing that says clipboard here, right next to the clipboard grouping. And it shows me that the screen tip shows me that if I click on that, the Office Clipboard task pane will appear. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll give this a left click here. And there is the Office Clipboard task pane. So it will allow me to paste things that I've put on the clipboard. So there's VTC's Word 2007. I can paste it or I can remove it from the clipboard itself. So if I paste it, there it goes. And it remains on the clipboard. So if I close this out now, I can use I can use up to 24 different pieces of text and move those very efficiently throughout the document or between multiple documents and even between multiple applications in the Office 2007 suite.